these word bubbles. We are in a book. That is so cool. We are in a book. We are in a book. We are being read. We are being read. Ow. Oh, I have a good idea. I can make the reader say a word. You can make the reader say a word. I can. What is that?
If
The reader reads out loud. Why do you quit taking pictures?
so I can show Grandma Ann how you're reading, how you're learning how to read.
That is a great idea. That is a funny idea. Here I go. Banana. Send Grandma Ann a video when I said banana.
Okay.
What does that say? Duh. It says a D. What does that say?
Did
Did
you
hear that? Did you hear that? The reader said banana. Oh, the reader said it again. Banana's so funny. Do you want to turn before the book ends? The book ends.
It says ends?
Ends.
The book?
The book ends. Yes, all books end. When will the book end? I will look. Page 57. 57? It's page 46.
Eek, now. It is page
47. This book is going too fast. I have more to give. More words.
It says, I have more to give. More words. More.
Joke. More banana.
Good job.
This book is going too fast. Oh wait. I just want to be read. What does this say? I just want to be read.
No, it says, I
have a good idea. You're the elephant. No, I'm the pig. You're the elephant.
That is a good idea.
Hello, will you read us again? I hope this works. Me too.
Good job.
Send Grandma Ann the picture.
Okay. It's a video, not a picture.
Oh.
You want to give her a special message?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell her?
I want to tell her. I read We Are in a Book all by myself that was so funny that you're gonna laugh.
She's gonna laugh? Why would she laugh? I think she's gonna be proud of you that you're learning how to read, huh?
I'm a kitty and this is my bed. Right in your lap.
I am not your bed, girlfriend.
Yes, you are. And this is my pillow here.
Let me see your little face. Say bye to Grandma Ann.
Bye-bye, Sticky Grandma Ann.
Oh, Isis, that is not nice.
Bye-bye, Heart Grandma Ann.